Time to do some more Colby codes. What do I have pulled up on here that's like really incriminating? Nothing. That's good, I think. I got this super popular YouTube video I made pulled up with Dallin. Still waiting for the restroom to open. Okay, so self.x chord, self.y chord, self.fuel equals 100. Well, we've initialized CRUD. Let's see how I broke the program so far. Good. I don't think I have anything super incriminating showing.
What?
Um,
I'm curious now. Let's see if I can compile it. G++.
well, I think now I just need to make a display def.
Oh, cool, I can.
Def display, and this display needs self. Let's see.
5.
JK Lowell, we're gonna call this status.
You know, I like
Status.
this program. Income that, tithe 0. See, the program works perfectly.
Pay 0 tithing and have 1252 income, and you're a full tithe payer. Is this the one that chastises people for
Yeah,
not paying their tithing? It's like, will a man rob God?
yeah.
Oh, that's great.
But right now it just has returned true.
I appreciate that. Status print parentheses quote parentheses brackets. See, I learned how to do brackets now. Brackets.
Oh wait, I forgot to use
Close that. Space dash space fuel colon space 100/n close quote close parentheses. Oh man, that's easy. And we should probably do the thing where we initialize main. If
Yeah, give me the. This is what I want. Right there, thanks.
well, now I gotta pull up another old. Oh wait, I have it right here. If underscore name underscore equal. I said equals quote underscore main quote colon main. Now I gotta make a def for main. Def main. Do that.
There, you got what I was looking for.
Wow, quit. Wow. What is...
Also, I changed the setting on Linux Mint, and it's amazing. So see how this can move left, right, and up and down?
Uh-huh.
So if I put 2 fingers on,
Oh, dig, man. How'd y'all do that?
so settings,
Settings.
system settings, no.
System settings. I'm sure there's nothing on here that's incriminating.
Okay, and then mouse and touchpad.
Mouse and touchpad.
Very
I'll
good.
just mouse and touchpad.
touchpad, and then just
Just
Never mind.
enable horizontal scrolling.
oh yeah, non-touchpad. Yeah, that one.
Horizontal scrolling. Oh wait, no, don't do that. What? That doesn't work.
Because it doesn't have any.
Well, now I gotta pull up something that I can horizontally scroll on without, like, incriminating myself.
You can't do text editor, by the way. Linux Mint handles it better than Windows.
Cannot or can?
Cannot. Linux Mint will loop line versus.
Oh, well, there's pictures of us. I'll just pull up my piracy folder. Surely that won't incriminate me.
You have to zoom in.
You are correct.
Just hit. No, okay.
This works. Whoosh. Need to go over there. This is incredible, Dallin.
And
What?
zoom in and out.
Oh, that's not the right thing.
Oh, I think you need help. Wait. Oh, you're recording this for the Kobe codes.
You got it.
That's why you're so worried about incrimination.
Yes.
That is probably the proper way to phrase it.
Def main. While what though? While quit. Quit. So we just need quit. While I should probably say def main action equals quote not quit. Yeah. That's it. Close quote. While action does not equal quit. Not equal quit. There we go. Oh, wait, forgot to put my colon there. I'm pretty sure this isn't going to work. Pass. Okay, how did I break this? Hey, it didn't break. Granted, all it did was print hello again, but we're making progress. While action equals not quit. Shouldn't have just gotten caught in an endless loop.
Got him.
Oh, I guess since I passed it, it's fine. While action equals not quit. Input command equals input. Oh wait, no, not that. Action equals input parentheses. Quote enter command. I don't know how that's supposed to be a different color. Maybe it's not. Action equals input command. Enter command. Now I should get an endless loop. I see it finishes the program before now it's playing its infinite loop game. And it timed out. Well, worth a shot. Okay, so action equals input command. Is there like a switch statement? What if I type in switch? No. Dang it. Fine, we'll do a cajillion of statements. If action, actually no. If action equals status, if action equals status. Oh, I forgot to colon that. Action dot status. Do some BS. That's the best way to phrase that. Because I type in Dvorak.
Oh no.
Oh, good, my microphone is on today. Because I type in Dvorak, XS is B semicolon, but I now just read semicolon as an S, but I still read X as a B, so I say BS. If action, fetch. Equals.
You know, one day I'm going to remember to put semicolons at the end of everything.
And then you'll go into CS241 and you'll put semicolons not at the end of everything.
I like that plan. Let's go with that plan.
It's actually really nice. I love Python.
It's bullet.
Quit giving me string object as no attribute status. Oh, forgot my stupid parentheses.
Is that the whole assignment? I think I win.
Do you win?
That's what I'm testing.
String has no attribute status.
What? Freaking. I hate that.
ACTION. If action equals status. How do I ask it for? What is the worst?
When you paste something and it immediately hits enter.
Oh yeah, that does suck. Are they down in the bathroom yet?
Passed all tests with no errors. That was the simplest assignment. That was awful.
Better.
It's good enough.
So, up next, we're fixing attribute error. String has no attribute status. Oh, well. Yeah, because we're not... Okay, I see my problem there. I don't have anything... Okay. New line. We're going to make... Robo equals robot. Parentheses. And it's not... Come on, think. Did I just lose my internet? No, I didn't. If action equals status, robo.status. Give some BS there. Okay, there we go. Oh, look. It ran. Okay, step one. Enter command needs a space after it, because fetch it, of course it does. While I'm at it, I should probably put my attributes. Dot format. Dot format parentheses self dot x chord comma self dot y chord close parentheses, give some BS. Okay, good. Why is that? Action equals status, robot status. Now it should loop around. Can it say enter command? Enter command status. Oh, did it just give me...
Oh wait, Colby, so is it available or not?
Is one available?
Restroom?
I don't think it is yet.
Oh, okay.
But let me go double check.
Just check. But I don't know. My mind just forgets things. I love about the videos.
I haven't seen one come out. Maybe it is available. Okay, somebody's still in there. Okay. Just wondering. That's bad news.
I've had a cup of hot chocolate today.
Why is the oven still on?
The oven was on.
Yeah.
Is it super hot now?
Yeah. Before I forget about this, I'm gonna go back
What is it?
to the salad. Did
No.
you put this spoon in?
No. I don't care for mashed potato salad or whatever it's called.
How do you like this, Carl?
Get a load of that.
My headphones are still in.
Give up.
No. Give up.
Get a load of this!
He's not gonna get away with this.
Oh no!
I don't know if I'm allowed to have a folder called My Stuff, but I'm gonna make it anyways. Ooh. And I'm gonna put FizzBiz in there. Corey, I made a FizzBiz program. Do you know what FizzBiz is?
I don't know what FizzBiz is.
Pretty much it's a thing so employers can test to see how you code.
Uh-huh.
And do you know what the game FizzBiz is?
No.
So FizzBiz, it's pretty much every multiple of 3 you say Fizz, and every multiple of 5 you say Biz.
Uh-huh.
And if you get a multiple of 3 and 5, you say FizzBiz.
Huh.
And I am really inefficient at writing it, but who cares because I wrote it. G++,
Got him.
FizzBiz, A dot out.
76 sometimes Fizz, 79 Biz, Fizz, 82, 83 Fizz, Biz, 86 Fizz, 88, 89 Fizz Biz, 91, 92 Fizz, 94 Biz, Fizz. Oh wow.
And the rule with it is, so when it's like, when it has both of them, it has to be on the same line. You can't put it
Yeah.
on 2 separate lines.
And wait. And what about employers in this?
So this isn't really a way to test if they can code, but to see how they code.
Mm-hmm.
Like, so how I did it, it's actually super sloppy. Let's see, nano. So like I, have everything laid out like that. So if someone wanted to come in and edit this at all, it'd be super a pain in the butts.
Oh.
Versus like someone might have all the like these defined up here with actual names. You can change it out at will.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, technically, you could pass this by just having 100 couts that say.
Yeah. Hack the entire program.
Anyway, so. Okay, I do like how I know the Linux terminal, so like that's was never even a concern from when I joined the class. Everyone else is still trying to figure it out, but like I know the basics.
Mm. Oh, I think I see my problem. I just don't need a new line there.
Worth it.
See?
Ah, look at that. Look at that. In fact, my thing actually works shockingly well. Like, there's surprisingly little red and white on here for how unfinished my program is. Well, let's get going on my next F.
Next up.
LF. Action equals left.
Guy. What is his name?
Robo dot move parentheses. Ha! I'm so good at coding.
Rip oh no, rip computer.
You didn't rip your computer?
I'm surprised. Project O
Def
3
Move.
monthly budget
self comma direction.
2. Wow, this is a beautifully set up program. This doesn't look like chaos one bit.
Oh my.
And to be fair, there's not too much more of an efficient way to do it because it has to.
Okay. I need to pass it to string left, not a variable left. See, I caught that before I made the mistake.
Ooh.
'Cause I'm a good programmer. I'll be honest, the potato salad tastes good, but it also tastes like straight mayonnaise. Also, I think the bathroom's not really open. I heard the toilet flush at least.
Okay.
Alright, your turn, bro.
Okay.
Man, I sure am taking a lot of breaks from this coding. Like, I should be doing this coding over the weekend, because I can do this easily at home, whereas math, I'm just going to stare and then get distracted and play video games instead. Okay. Move direction. I just passed it to direction left. Def move. If direction equals left, self dot goes left x chord minus 1. Self dot x chord minus equals 1. Okay, yeah, that should do it. BS. Save that file. How did I break my program today?
Did you see that Sister Ballard passed away?
I did not see that.
That would be sad.
Yeah?
Right before conference.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if it'll change what he talks about or anything.
What? I didn't close that. Oh.
I like errors.
That's not a terminal window.
I don't think I need to see out there. I think you're silly.
Well, I broke it. Move self direction. What do you mean? Invalid syntax. Oh, fetch. I forgot my colon. Heat that.
Ooh, that made more errors.
Aha! Darling, I am.
Aha!
It's Carl's dad.
Get to load up.
Get a load of this! Self dot fuel
The
minus
IP.
equals 5.
Ooh, every time I fix a problem, more errors pop up. It's exciting.
Darling, I have a GIF for that. Have you seen that GIF?
Yeah. Wait, give. And Jack. And I saw the picture of the cat.
Mm.
Where his clothes are.
Oh wait, never mind. There's becoming less errors. It's just I keep skipping things so it looks like a bunch more errors.
What?
No value in function returning notes.
Why is fuel still the same? Oh.
Okay.
Why did I do that? I just hard-coded the fuel into always say 100.
What?
I should have said fuel brackets and then said after this, put self dot
Return
fuel.
1. Control S.
Don, I'm almost done with this program already. This is actually ridiculous.
Yeah, I need the restroom.
I can say if direction equals quote right close quote colon self dot x chord plus equals 1 self dot fuel. You know what am I doing? We're gonna stick that on the bottom. No, we're gonna stick that on the bottom. LF direction equals up.
Take the lime, coconut, and you mix it all up.
Fair enough. Self dot y scored. No, if you go up, yeah, it's plus equals 1. Elif direction. Actually, not just else. Direction
in preparation for cinnamon roll making, I got myself a new toy.
You're making cinnamon rolls? Oh, dig, man. That's a big cookie sheet.
I measured the oven. It fits perfectly. It's, it fits. It's
Like, you could pull out a rack and it would just hang on the thing.
close.
That's impressive.
And it came with a turbo dryer.
I respect that. Where'd you get it at? Just Wally World?
Walmart.
That's not bad. Lift action equals right. Colon. Robo.move.
During my time, instead of
Right. Yeah, lift
You should have.
action equals up. Robo.move parentheses quote up close quote. Oh wait, that's not right. A lift because we have other stuff we can do. I think a lift action equals down. Forgot my colon. Robo.move
The man of honor.
parentheses down. We could say anything, but this isn't gonna work. More readable. Anything 4 down. We'll just do. Wow, I broke it. Oh goodness. Okay, I should not have done that.
With a low counter, I should have done.
Else. Pass. We're gonna hold off on that. BS that.
Ow, 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 ow.
Forgot to add my
Ow, 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 ooh, ow, ow,
self dot
ow.
fuel minus equals 5.
I like it. Not one bit.
Look at that, we're almost done.
Yay, Kobe.
Except something's going horribly wrong. Well, it looks like my x coordinate's working, but my y seems to be flipped. Because I said minus plus 1. What the fetch? Minus equals 1. Test bed. Well, it's up.
Alright, who's next? Oh,
What did
this
I
guy.
do?
The worst boss in the game.
Well, okay, something's still going on with my y. I went up,
I
up,
think.
down. It said 11 when it should have said 9. What if I just flip these? What if I said plus there and minus there? Well, that seems to have worked. Else, let's see. If action equals parentheses fire. Do I need to make a class for this? Yes, I do, because that does take out, costs 10 fuel to fire. Let's action, if action equals fires, robo dot fire. Def fire, it needs self. Is there a Python command to eject CD tray?
I don't know about Python. I know the command for bash. Eject.
Python eject CD tray.
And I've debated doing it because apparently the Linux labs have CD drives on them, and it's like it's so tempting. I can just hit eject and tell it what CD drive, and it will just eject it. Which makes me want to write my code again. That does it, and you type in a number, and it ejects and and takes in the CD tray that many times. You know, just put on 1,000,000. Someone walks up there to check on them, and they're just, you know, the CD tray Colby is just constantly. Well, no, somebody did a good job at coding.
You could use os.popen if you're on a Unix-like operating system to run shell commands. I'm gonna do that.
Why?
Well, because in this the robot fires and it says pew pew. Just imagine if it fired and like the CD tray opened.
So, wait, is this something actually important, or?
This is a assignment I'm doing.
Um,
Testbed won't notice anything, but it might open the CD tray in the Linux lab. Ooh, that makes me even happier to think about.
see, that's what
Do you have a CD drive in your thing, Don?
Yeah. But
Okay.
It's not. It will not be tracked.
Well, that's fine.
Um,
When you're finished that, let me try. But def fire, print, quote, pew, pew, pew.
He keeps countering my counter
oh no.
by grabbing me.
Oh no.
Alright, Colby, here's your question. Should I have different variables in the... Colby, should I have different variables for this than inside the actual code?
Like,
Because I know they technically don't matter. Because, you know, that variable only lasts in there, the variable in here only lasts in main.
for good style, I would have a different variable.
Okay. What should I name it?
The classic question of computer programming.
I just
Turn
name
it
it
off and
income.
on?
That'll show them.
Pew pew. Self dot fuel minus equals 10. And then we need to go os dot p open.
This math.
Do PS there.
The master of counters.
Let's see what happens here. It might open the.
Right.
I fooled him. He thought I was going to do the same thing I do every time. So I did the same thing I do every time.
Not gonna sneeze. I lied.
Oh, that made more errors. Let's go back to less errors. So wait, where's the error at then?
Darn it. This code isn't working. I did os.p open.
Wait, Colby, can I not do it like this? Do I have to wait, no.
Gonna do what, like what? Well, actual budget equals get income. Oh, is that a... Try putting some parentheses on there. I don't know if you need...
Oh, that sounds right. Doing that. Oh, yeah. That sounds right. Thanks.
You got it. Did you save?
Yeah. Yep. No errors. A dot out. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Mayday. So I'll type that and they don't give me the income. Yeah, that's how things want to go. And we want to ask for the income again. This is a solid plan. I like this plan.
Oh, something tells me it's going to actually try going to the website os.p open. Ah.
You know what I should make? A program that does nothing but says 8.
You should do that, Don.
Is pause the command in this too? Like if you type in pause, won't wait until someone hits something on the keyboard before continuing?
Boy, I don't want to pipe.
I really want to build that now, but I should probably do this first.
Yeah. Python 3 open CD drive. Here's a GitHub thing.
Don't you hub my Git? Git.
Pygame. Okay, so I need to import pygame.cd-rom as cd-rom. I'm probably going to do the super wrong. Import pygame.cd-rom as cd-rom. Question 1. How do I break my program?
Who do I enjoy when I haven't beat this size?
Pygame. So how do I import? Dang it, this is still not my code. I'm gonna drag this over here. There we go. Import Pygame. This isn't gonna work. No module named Pygame. Pygame.cd-rom. Import Pygame. But my import Pygame isn't importing Pygame. What if I just do like something repel.it? What's pastel spattle variable? What is this code? That's me trying to figure something out. I can replace that. Import Pygame. Print. Hello. Run. So that worked on there. And my code just said import Pygame, right? Right? Import Pygame. Import Pygame. But it's not importing Pygame. It just says no module named Pygame. Yes, I recognize that it's not being used. So, import Pygame. Pygame. Can I just... I don't think it's going to let me do this, Dallin.
So I think this like shows how creative I am, Kobe. Like I can easily, go and type all this code and everything,
Yeah.
but I can't think of what to name the variables. Because so I have to use income 3 times.
Uh-huh.
Once to get it, once in main, and then once in another function to display it.
Uh-huh.
And if they all need to be unique.
Why do you need to do income 3 times?
I'm doing a Saturday project right now.
Oh, you're doing okay.
I'm eating mash.
I need to do that sometime. So boring.
After this, I'm going to make a program that does nothing but says 8 every time you hit a button.
pip3
It's a good
install Pygame. Install
program.
Pygame.
Okay, how do I work this?
Python-m pip install Pygame. Come on.
See, look, they only have one CD drive on it. And all they have to do is hit enter and then the CD drive will eject.
No module named install. Fetch. Maybe I just... Pygame.
Okay, actual living.
No module named Pygame. What?
I feel like I'm gonna overheat.
Oh no.
Well, problem is I'm looking at a thread for Windows.
I always feel like that's gonna work, but it never does.
A thread for Windows?
Sure.
Okay, what if I don't want to go through Pygame? We're going to do a different... We're going down a different route. os.system os.system eject CD-ROM. os.system eject CD-ROM. I don't think this is gonna work.
You just gotta believe.
Zigzag, roll, yeah.
Name OS is not defined. Dang it. Oh, I need to import OS. Import OS. Do I need a colon after that?
Oh, wait, hold on. Leave it this way.
Down, I think it worked.
Yay.
Down, can I steal your thing for a second? Just for a second, brother.
I might do
1 second, brother. Just for 1 second, just open a new terminal super quickly.
Wait. No, no.
I win.
Okay. So what I want is forward C, zigzag C.
Okay. So go into your usual SSH thing.
Alright, that's a
The-
good combo.
So what am I doing?
Just what you usually do to log in, except
So like that.
yeah, but change Downator X to Crazy Culpster. Oh, I shouldn't say my password out loud. I was thinking about doing that, but then I realized I'm being recorded. Yeah, hit enter.
Okay, and I don't know how to combo that. But what I can do is A.
Wait, but Corby, this is still gonna run on the Linux lab.
Oh, so it is. No problem.
You know what would be easier?
Wait, would it do that if I did?
How big a file is it?
Tiny.
Okay, so do you have it? Do you have your thing mounted? Your account?
Yeah.
Just copy that into an email. Email it to me. Control. Let's see. Log out.
Okay, now you can go back to your other window.
Yes. I'm satisfied.
Actually, I'll just copy it onto a pen drive and just hand that to you. Then you can run it direct from the pen drive. Oh goodness, my pants seem to be tearing or something. Right here.
So I think I'm just gonna do it with these names, and then ask Boiler Kamau what he says.
Okay.
Because I mean, I still have time to ask him on Friday.
Beat wop. Did I copy it already? No.
Probably.
What am I working on? I'm working on homework 3. No, I'm not. I'm doing assign 03. .py. Copy. Pasta. This is taking longer than it reasonably should. It's file is literally like bytes large. Not kilobytes, just bytes. You know, I'm gonna finish this program first and then I'll give it to you. Except I'm getting EOF error. Try. Maybe I need to do a try. Try coins. Oh goodness, I think it fetching thing. Is my internet down?
Oh, that's not what I wanted. There's no undo button, dang it.
Yeah, no it isn't.
I think every program needs an undo button.
Is it because I'm trying to copy crud? What if I go assign o3.py and copy it onto the desktop? Show more details. Retry.
Okay, so that's the combo I used to
The name 1.7.1 was not provided by any service. Whatever. I'm gonna finish coding this.
Ford CC, which was
Return.
Ford C up C. This is an easy combo. Another easy one is Ford C zigzag C. Ford zigzag C. There's
Try os.system eject cd-rom. Oh, it's just because it timed out. Do I need a...
Oh, that was weird. Colby. So I was just doing this, and it looked completely solid white,
Uh-huh.
like that, and then I just, stole the piece and started.
Oh, yeah.
oh yeah, I'm charging.
I was like, oh wait, there's no piece there. Where'd it go?
Test bed again. Indentation error. Unexpected indent. Line what? 27 def main.
Wait a second, I wasn't playing Calamity Trigger.
If I hit enter, what happens? What is this error?
I should totally throw that in here and see if testbed will catch it.
Catch what?
Just have it calculate out tithe, since this is monthly budget.
Uh-huh.
Have it calculate tithe, and if they don't pay the full tithe, have it put the whatever quote in.
os.system.
Although this is also a project, so there will be an actual human looking at it rather than just a test bed.
And that's it's more balanced there. Like my guy.
Oh, okay, so I don't need that. Oh goodness, that was not what I meant. So I can just get rid of the try. Then I can do that. Yes. Then I can get a different error.
I like that plan. That's a good plan, Colby.
Seems to work. Darn, I think it's working. Now I can add this huge thing. Okay, I need an import platform. Down, this is going to be glorious. I'm going to finish coding the rest of this and then I'll add the other part. And, I guess it's actually going to be an elif. Because first, if self.fuel less than 5, print quote. Okay, well, this is unfortunate, Dallin.
What's that?
Because it's working, but because it's ejecting, and it says cannot eject, cannot open div / sr0, permission denied, but it's printing that when the testbed is expecting pew pew, which means it's not going to pass testbed.
That's no good. That's no good.
That's no good. And that's no good. I might actually, oh, it's late now. What if I do this myself? Python 3. Oh, I need to do this in my own terminal, though. Python 3 assign o3.py. Enter command. Up. Status. Up. Status. Fire. Down, it's working. I'm going to send you this file after I'm done with it. It says eject unable to find or open device for CD-ROM.
This is a significant amount. I like it.
I'm gonna email, or I'm gonna ask him tomorrow if I can submit it even if testbed doesn't work, if I include that feature.
Oh, that's my problem. I figured it out. I'm so good.
You're good at this? You want a pure thing?
What?
My code isn't opening again. Oh, there we go. Now it opened. OS.system. Eject CD-ROM. Now I need to... I'm going to comment that out.
Ooh. Dang it. Bah. Computer, you should just assume that I wanted to add another S on there. But only when I do actually want to, not when I don't want to. How can I make more errors?
Oh, well, crud.
Wow, that was silly of me.
If
Yeah.
self.fuel is less than 10, print
Zoo.
quote.
Corey, I got some good news. It actually worked. And I'm not done yet, but...
For some reason,
What happens if I do this? I'm curious.
if self.fuel.
Return 5.
Oh, even if I have insufficient, that's not going to work. Can I just say return?
Corey, how come it has to return 0 at the end of main?
I think it's just like the way that it's built.
Because I just said if return 5, it worked normal.
Oh, okay, well, I don't know.
So here's next question. Does it have to be return anything? Can it just be returned?
I think it might have some way.
Oh, it gets mad when...
I think it has something to do with like how other C++ files might call it. Because you can call other files in C++. I don't know how, because we never got to that in the course, but... So... Self.fuel minus equal 10. Well, let me just play with this myself. Python. Status. I have 100. Up. Status. 95. Fire. 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 Fire.
I like this, Colby.
Fire.
I
Fire.
think that's how all companies work.
Fire. Fire. Status. Fuel is negative 5. Fire. Status. Fuel is negative 15. Okay. And it's still pew pews anyway. Quit. Well, crud. Oh, that's not as efficient though. I'll just redo the if statement because
Yeah, we don't need any of this. Let's just delete it all.
then I'd have to recopy all that. if self.fuel less than 5.
Oh no, all is lost. I actually started deleting the term. Colby, Maine is so sad now.
Else
Look at sad little Maine.
into main. What makes domain sad?
It's so small compared to what it used to be. Now everything's up here.
Ah.
And up here is giant.
What if I save and run this? Well, crud. Okay, I broke it.
Yay, Colby.
Why? Why is that not working? What did I do wrong? Oh, self-dead fuel. Greater than or equal to 5. Dang it. Okay, Don, I found my problem.
That's good.
Well, sort of.
Yeah!
Fire just not taking out enough. Fuel should be minus equal 10. Fire status. Fire status.
Oh.
Why? What? Maybe I'm doing something really wrong.
So why won't it compile? Oh goodness, that was a lot of errors. Also, I hadn't tried compiling it yet. I just assumed it wouldn't.
Oh, there's my
Tell
problem.
me all my errors are because I forgot this one.
Down, I found my big problem. I'm charging 10 for using for firing, but it's actually 15 that I need to be charging.
Wait, it's not how you use functions. Did I lie to myself?
Come on, thing. Thank you, thing. So,
Wait, Colby.
fuel 15.
Isn't this how you do this?
15. I do what?
Like, so if I have this and then you have all these,
Uh-huh.
then that would correspond with these down here.
Display item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go back up to your other thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
Okay.
Should. What's your error? Oh,
Lots. It says that all of these are non-defined.
Oh, your problem is that you initialize them in main, but it's looking for them to exist beforehand
Well,
in display.
but I thought that this initialized them right. Oh, I need to put like float in front of each of these. That makes sense.
Okay. That's not what I was thinking because it's been a long time, but you know, if it works. Test bed.
Woo!
Wait. Did I not save? Test bed again.
I did it. I got it.
Down, my program almost worked perfectly, except I left my initial thing in that I always leave in, which is like when I start a program, I'll just tell it to print hello, and I forgot about that, and I didn't put my exit thing in. So every time the test bed says quit, it says hello, and then it says expecting goodbye.
Yep. See, now they put float in front of all of them. They all worked. Do
Print.
1,070.
Goodbye.
1,788 combos.
Okay, this is a stretch goal. Whoa, okay. I see what I did wrong. I accidentally put the goodbye as part of my while loop. So it printed goodbye like a cajillion times. So now it's saying, enter command status, fuel 100, goodbye. Enter command, jump. What? Goodbye. It just says goodbye. I passed all my tests, there's no errors, Dallin. Do you know what this means?
No.
It means it's time to start working on the fire command again. Dallin. Dallin, I got some really good news. Even though it's giving me that error, cannot open device, it's still passing testbed without any errors.
Testbed's like, I don't know what that. I'll just ignore it. I don't need it.
I appreciate this. Okay. Dallin, I am now super excited about this. Import. Now I need to import my other thing. Platform. I'm getting so excited about this.
Oh, never mind. I had apparently a 2,064 time combo, which was my second worst score. How does that work?
If platform Windows, else.
314 bad, 103 bad. Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
Okay, I'll pretty up this code in a second. Oh goodness.
456, 314.
Okay, we can get rid of that.
I don't think I'll see this
Get
too
rid of
often
that.
once we get into the job place, Colby. The basic design of Compute Tide is, and then it references a scripture. It's like, I don't think they'll reference very many scriptures for, most of my coding life.
Yeah.
That's what you think.
Now you got me there.
I mean, someone says something and you say that's what you think. You're right. That is what they think. But they're not a valid point for you. That doesn't matter.
If platform
One way
equals
or another, you were right.
Let's see.
okay, fire self. Import OS, import platform.
Not ready. Why did I press retry?
Def fire self. If self fuel, print interstitial fuel. Else print pew pew. Self def fuel minus 15. If platform.system equals Windows, open to CD drive. Else if platform.system equals Darwin, dtrue tray open, which Darwin is Mac. Else if platform.system equals Linux, os.system eject CD-ROM. This is probably going to break my program again. I think I know what I'm missing. I think I need to add import C types.
After I get this
Crud.
thing working, I'm gonna have breakfast.
34. Have you really not eaten anything today?
I had hot chocolate. Does that count?
Well, crud.
Dang it, now I thought of it. Now I'm hungry, and I'm like, no, I can't eat until this is done.
Oh, I think you're gonna let you. I don't know if that's gonna do it. Inconsistent uses tabs and spaces and indentation. Is it my... Well, let's see what my issue is.
I was playing that all way too early.
How is that system don't try opening? What? Oh, maybe my issue was actually the Mac one. File 10 plus line 36. Inconsistent use of tabs and space. No, I think I got this right. Platform.system equals Darwin. Equals Darwin, colon, os.system. What? Down, I'm mildly confused. Down, it worked. Down, it worked.
Cool.
Down, it works. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this works.
So is there now a CD drive open inside of the Linux lab?
No, it just says, it just gives me, it just prints an error saying I don't have the permissions to do that. Fair enough.
So just run your app in sudo.
Yeah, they're gonna allow that.
Oh, they would. Anyways,
Wow, how is it 1.8 kilobyte? Oh, because I guess it's 1,000. Never mind. I don't want to have to make a new file and copy it all over.
You guys need anything from Walmart?
You want to pick us up a thing of milk?
Do we want to just get some on Friday?
I guess we could. No, we're alright.
You're good, I'm just leaving either way. Alright, thanks. Interrupt me anything?
Alright. Fine.
2 days without milk.
Was that on?
We're gonna have to go 2 days without milk.
This is a tragedy.
I agree.
We could have gone through a gallon of milk in 2 days.
Yeah, we totally could have. Wait, did we run out of the other stuff?
Program.py. Not powdered milk.
Yeah, well, yeah. Powder milk is disgusting.
Fine. We will go here. We will just manually copy everything in the most... Ugh. I don't know why it's not working, but, you know, whatever. Copy. Then we'll go here. Program.py. I camel case that even though I probably should have. File. Save. Close. Eject. Down, I want you to plug this in. Open your device and terminal. Open that device and terminal. Okay, you opened it up in there?
Yeah, it's in terminal.
Alright, so type in Python 3. Space.
What one?
Just,
Okay.
yeah. TH and then just hit tab. Hit enter. Type in fire. Dude! Okay, close it. Type in up. Type in down. Type in fire.
You are very
I love this. This is like the best thing ever. I'm not going to submit it yet because I want to show them it in class.
Wait, but what are you going to show them? Because you only have your laptop.
Yeah, other people have laptops.
But how many of them have Python on their laptops?
That's a good question. I just hope it'll work. We'll make it to work.
What time do you have class tomorrow?
It's right
I
after.
only have one class tomorrow.
It's right after my religion class. It's 11:45, I think. No, 12:45. 12:45. Yeah.
Where is she?
Why do you ask?
I
Just
don't
want to
know.
see it.
I was going to say you might be able to use my laptop,
I might just go in and show them in the morning. Oh, that would work too.
but I'd also need my laptop for the day.
Yeah, you're right. Well, regardless, we got the program to work. So thanks for watching for this hour, whatever, on YouTube if you're watching. Or not. I don't really care. This is for my own use. I just make it public because fetch it I can. Okay. Goodbye.